this video is not sponsored, so I can say autotune. This is VocalTune, right? From tunedplugins, right? Same people that brought you Safari pedals, right? So it's very simple. We got reference, we got key, we got scale, we got type, we got tune speed, amount, vibrato, input type, and reverb. This was very interesting, right? Put a reverb over here on the autotune. It's crazy. So let's see. Like if I turn it on, let's see. Come back over here. Reverb. Okay. That might be crazy for like some Travis Scott effects. I might try something in a minute. So I can't change. Okay, so I can change the reference. So let me put it back on 440. I'm playing. All right. So key. We can set the keys. Like we got the sharps in there. So we got sharps and whatnot. Minor. So we can do custom scale, chromatic, major, minor. Okay. Transparent, modern. Okay. So they give me format.
Right here. Okay. Format sounds interesting.
Okay.
Format. Okay.
All right.
The deep voice sounds better.
You know. All right. So put it back on transparent. So amount. So I guess this is the correction or amount, right? Okay. So 100. So that's kind of like waves on real time. All right. Tune speed. Okay. All right. Vibrato. Okay, that's crazy. That's weird. That's crazy. The vibrato sounds cool. So we see when we set the key in the scale, it X's out these notes down here. And can we resize? Okay, we can resize the plugin. That's cool. And it's presets in here. Like they just put a bunch of random stuff on here. So I don't know. Can I say? Okay, I'll make my own. I made my own presets. So y'all input type. Okay, so we can turn the signal. We get to reduce it. Okay, that's interesting. All right, I ain't even gonna trip with that. I almost bypassed that, but it's like okay, cool. So yeah, let me turn on this right here. Turn this right here. And make sure my key and scale right. So C minor. So we good. So yeah, let's vibe out. Let's see. So we talking about. Yeah. I got a chip, all in a field, yeah, I got a chip, all in a field, yeah, spin by me, baby, spin by me, baby, you know I got other girls, blowing up my phone, you know I got other girls, coming to my home, you know I got other girls, yeah, okay, so I just about right. Yeah, I got a trip. Yeah, all in the field. Yeah, I got a trip. Yeah, all in the field. Yeah. Alright, so it's cool. So play it. Bring it down. What? Bring it down. Play it. Spin by me, baby. Spin by me, baby. You know I got other girls. Yeah, I got a trip. All in the field. Yeah, I got a chip, all in the field, yeah, spin by me, baby, spin by me, baby, you know I got other girls, blowing up my phone, you know I got other girls, coming to my home, you know I got other girls, yeah, alright, so that's interesting, so it's clean, it's a clean tune. So let's see, let's put on modern. Let's see what
format. Let's see. Let's see.
I got a chip. All in the field. Yeah, I got a chip. All in the field. Yeah, spin by me, baby. Spin by me, baby. You know I got other girls blowing up my phone. You know I got other girls. Coming to my home, you know I got other girls. Yeah. Okay, so I just like that. Yeah, I got a trip. Yeah, all in the field. Yeah, I got a trip. Yeah, all in the field. Yeah. Alright, so
okay, that's just alright, so that's crazy. So that means it now.
I got a trip. All in the field. Yeah, I got a trip. All in the field. Yeah, spin by me, baby. Spin by me, baby. You know I got other girls, blowing up my phone. You know I got other girls, coming to my home. You know I got other vibrato. Can we get a little bit of vibrato? When you see,
Oh shit, that's crazy.
that can make me sing. They gon' say you can't sing. I know vibrato. I took the walk to Poland. That's crazy. That's fire. I got a trip, all in a fit. Yeah, I got a trip, all in a fit. Yeah, spin, by me, baby. Spin, by me, baby. You know I got other girls blowing up my phone. You know I got other girls coming to my home. You know I got other girls. Yeah. Okay, so I just like that. Yeah, I got a trip. Yeah, all in a fit. Yeah, I got a trip. Yeah, all in a fit. Let's do it. High pitch. Yeah, whoa. I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, spin, by me, baby. Spin. That's it. Yeah. I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, spin, by me, baby. Spin. I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, spin, by me, baby. Spin, by me, baby. You know I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, spin, by me, baby. Spin, by. I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, spin, by me, baby. Spin, by me, baby. You know I got other. That's crazy. I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, I got a trip. All in a fit. Yeah, spin, by me, baby. Spin, by me, baby. You know What do I think? It sounds good. They could have just put format somewhere in here. We didn't have to go from modern to transparent, because like the only issue is like, what if I want to have transparent with format? I have to load two plugins at the same time. That's it is. Right? But it's cool though. Like, it sounds good. Like, it's not like a tune that I was thought. Like, probably like the UI could get like better. Like, it can look better in a sense. But it sounds good though.